Hi, this is Lock, and for this video I am featuring this Brinks high security padlock. And this one's actually a little bit special to me because this is the padlock that I was going to retire on. Several years ago I was a little bit into lock picking and got a couple of the somewhat easier locks like the Master Lock #3 and I think one or two other ones that were fairly easy and learned some of the basics. And then I got this one that said high security on the packaging and it gave me a run for my money. I had Southward picks and I still have a few of those. But I finally got this thing solved. I got it open, and I got it open I think maybe once, perhaps twice, and I thought, you know what, that's it. I can't do any better than that, and I retired. So a little bit later I decided, probably being 10 years, I decided I'll give this another go, and as they say, kind of the rest is history. So, now on to locks that I find at least a little bit more challenging, that have more security pins and so forth. So, but this one still provides a good amount of fight. It does have security pins. I believe they are serrated pins mostly. I don't think this has spool pins. I think this is mostly serrated pins. Okay, so it is a little bit tough to get into. It provides a good amount of security. I think Brinks did a good job with this one. So, I will be using bottom of the keyway for this lock, this windshield wiper insert, and I will be using, I believe this is the gem, yep, the Peterson gem in 18 thousandths. Okay, let's frame it up and get this thing picked. Like I said, this guy does provide a bit of a challenge, so we might be here for a minute or two to get this thing open. Okay, to the back, and let's start picking. I got a little bit of core turn and a pretty good, little bit of a false set going on. Let's pin and pop it. Pop that pin. Okay, got that one set. Maybe it has one more to go, and one more serration, deep serration. Okay, got that one set. Feel for the next binder. Okay, toward the front. And we are open. Okay. The core, go ahead and drop those pins. Okay, so that is what it takes to open this lock. It has, I'm going to say probably 3 or 4 security pins. A couple of those are really They might be spool pins, they might be serrated pins, they might be serrated spool pins. I don't know. But in any case, these are this style or this generation is a very decent lock to open. I should say very decent lock to pick. Provides good security. I would put this on something that I wanted secured. Okay. Peace.